Families are spending more time outdoors having fun. Well, now you can make that fun bigger, brighter, and even better with Bionic Zoom, the portable, powerful telescope that fits in your pocket and zooms into the distance like a rocket. With optical-grade lenses for crystal-clear, high-definition view and 8 times magnification, so you can really see and feel the action up close. Binoculars are too bulky and hang on your neck. Bionic Zoom is about the size of a mobile phone. Just turn the wheel to focus and get closer to nature. Chart your way for a gorgeous day, or even get an up-close view of those places you could never go before. With incredible power and clarity to spot objects up to 50 miles away. Our military-grade scope uses waterproof and fog-proof optical-grade lenses that are even strong enough to endure being run over by this Humvee. So stop sitting on the sidelines watching the game when you can get in the game with Bionic Zoom.